Hey there! Welcome to this video. Before we dive in on our visit to Banff, here's a quick recap of what I did on our day of arrival in Calgary. Today we are going sa Banff! It's really a place to visit kapag nandito ka sa bansang to. Sobrang ganda doon, sobrang nature trip. Sinamahan din kami ng mga liwanag. Sila yung magtutour, magdadrive sa amin, and we're gonna have so much fun today. It's the way! Bababa na kami ng car. Guys! Wow! So saya! Tama nyo! This is so beautiful. We're here at Lake Louise. First time here and first time in Nova. I'm really happy that we got to go here. Kasi ako lang talaga. Yay! Hindi na din ako. Grabe yung puno! Na sa may Banff downtown. Dito lang kami maglalakad-lakad, mag-video. Dito na rin kami magle-late lunch / early dinner. This will probably be our last stop for this quick trip. Super solid, super fun afternoon, super fun day for all of us. Yay! Ganda dito! Super vibey ng place. Sarap magpaka-turista. Hungry. Here at the keg. Thank you, salamat. Steak, the keg sa bag. Harap. Ice cream after steak. This chocolate peanut butter. Done with our quick day trip dito sa Banff. We went sa may Lake Louise and dito sa downtown Banff. It was a really beautiful day. I'm really happy that I was able to visit this place. That we as a crew, as friends, ay nakapag-explore dito sa area na to. It's a really nice place. Ang saya na nakarating, nakapunta, nakapag-ikot-ikot kami dito. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you to our friends. Thank you to everyone who made this happen. Thank you also for taking time and watching this vlog. I'll see you again on my next upload. Take care. See you around.